If you've ever had a landing page idea in your head and thought, I really don't want to open Figma for this, you're gonna love this. Anthropic just launched Claude Design, an Anthropic Labs research preview that can turn a simple English prompt into stunning polished designs, then let you refine it by talking directly to the design. And the part I care about is not the first draft, it's the editing. Because a lot of AI demos look impressive for 20 seconds, then fall apart the moment you try to control them. So in this video, I want to do 3 things. First, show you what Claude Design actually does and how it helps you create designs like this, or this, and even a design like this. Second, pull out the features that really matter. And third, use one prompt to build an Apple Vision Pro landing page live. Let's get into it. Let's go through a quick demo first. The core idea is simple. You describe what you want. Claude builds a first version and then you refine it from there. But the interesting part is how the edits happen. You can click directly on a button headline, card, or section and leave a comment on that exact element. So instead of writing a long prompt like change the CTA in the hero and tighten the spacing in section 3, you just point at the thing and say, make this bolder or reduce the spacing here. That's a much more natural way to work, and I've wanted this for years now. For smaller copy changes, you can also edit text directly like a document. That matters more than it sounds, because not every tweak deserves a full prompt that wastes your credits on Claude Code or Codex. Then there are the adjustment knobs. Claude generates sliders for the design it made, things like spacing, color intensity, or layout density. You drag the control, see the page update live, and if you like the direction, you can ask Claude to carry that logic across the rest of the design. There's also a web capture tool, which is really useful if you're redesigning something that already exists. You can pull in parts of your current site so the prototype actually feels connected to the real product. And for teams, Claude can read your code base and design fields to build around your design system. Colors, typography, components, all of that, so future outputs start much closer to something you could actually use. Once you're done, you can export to Canva, PDF, PowerPoint, standalone HTML, or hand the whole thing off to Claude Code. Alright, let's stress test it. I'm going to ask Claude Design to build an Apple Vision Pro landing page. That's actually a pretty good benchmark, because Apple-style product pages fall apart fast if the visual judgment is weak. Too much effect and it looks cheesy. Too little and it looks flat. Here's the prompt I'm using. Design a premium Apple Vision Pro product landing page. Think spatial computing meets luxury. The hero section should be immersive and 3D feeling, with the headset as the centerpiece. Use dramatic lighting, depth, and a cinematic atmosphere. Typography should feel editorial and precise. The overall experience should feel like stepping into the future. Refined, not flashy, make it visually unforgettable. Notice what I'm not controlling here. I'm not picking the exact layout. I'm not naming a font. I'm not telling it to use a dark theme. I'm giving it a mood, a product, and a standard. Now, let's see what it does. And this is the part I care about most. Did it make real decisions? Look at the hero. The headset is clearly the focal point. The lighting creates depth. The typography feels restrained and editorial instead of generic. And if it goes dark, that choice came from the brief, not from me forcing it. And if you keep scrolling, this is where a lot of other AI outputs lose the plot. Now, are these just stacked sections, or does the page keep the same visual logic all the way down? On this version, the spatial feel actually carries through. The sections breathe, the hierarchy is clear. The page feels designed as one system, not assembled from random blocks. And your result will look different, which is fine. That's the test I care about every time. Does it keep its taste after the hero. Because a useful design tool doesn't just give you one nice screen, it keeps the thinking consistent as the page expands. Finally, what makes this really interesting for web designers is the revision speed. If the headline feels too soft, I can click on it and ask for a sharper tone. If the hero feels cramped, I can loosen the spacing. If one section nails the visual language, I can ask Claude to carry that logic across the rest of the page. So you're not constantly restarting. And honestly, that might be the biggest improvement here. Traditional design tools are great when you actually know what you want. Claude Design feels strong when you want to explore, react, and iterate quickly without losing momentum. For teams, the design system piece matters just as much. Once Claude understands your brand, the first draft gets closer, and every revision gets faster. You're not re-explaining the basics every time you start a new project. Right now, Claude Design is in research preview for Claude Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise users. And Anthropic says the rollout is gradual. So if you're a founder, marketer, or designer and you need to turn rough ideas into something visible fast, this is absolutely worth trying. Open claude.ai/design, try one detailed prompt, and don't stop at the first result. Click into the design. Comment on specific elements, edit and copy, pull the knobs around a little. That's where the real value shows up. If you want, I can do a follow-up on using this with a real design system, exporting to HTML, or handing the result off to Claude Code. And if you build something cool with it, drop it in the comments. I want to see what you guys make. See you in the next one.